Welcome to UVA Learn, a perfect place which has an interactive online learning world, where we use methods which are easy to learn, and you learn basic fundamental with fun. Let us get started.
Quarter, half, three-quarter, and complete turns. A quarter turn makes an angle of blank degrees. Do you know what quarter is? Let's take a help of circle to understand what quarter is. Let's divide the circle in 4 equal parts. Now, each part of the circle here is called a quarter. Or, each part will represent 1 out of 4 equal parts. So, a quarter turn would mean rotating from here to here. What do you think can help us to measure an angle? Correct, a protractor. Let's use a protractor to measure the angle. It is 90 degrees. So, a quarter turn makes an angle of 90 degrees. Well done. Let's move to the next level. A half turn makes an angle of blank degrees. Do you know what half turn mean is? A half turn would means start from here and rotate the line to here. That is called a half a circle. Do you know what angle this is? Let's measure it using a protractor. It is 180 degrees. So, a half turn makes an angle of 180 degrees. We also can say that it is made up of 2 quarter turns, or 2 right angles. 2 times 90 degrees is the same as 180 degrees. Perfect. So far we have learned a quarter turn and a half turn. Let's move to next level. A 3/4 turn makes an angle of blank degrees. Can you imagine how a 3/4 turn would look like? 1/4, 2/4, or a half, and 3/4. Do you know what angle this is? A 3/4 turn is made up of 3 right angles. 1, 2, and 3. 3 times 90 degrees equals 270 degrees. That means a 3/4 turn makes an angle of 270 degrees. Are you clear so far? Let's move to the last example. A full or complete turn makes an angle of blank degrees. A full or complete turn means 1 full round. That is 1/4, 2 quarters, 3 quarters, and 4 quarters, or 1 whole round. Do you know what angle this is? Count how many right angles make a complete turn. 1, 2, 3, and 4. A complete turn is made up of 4 right angles. And 4 times 90 degrees equals 360 degrees. That means a full or complete turn makes an angle of 360 degrees. So, today you have learned what angles a quarter turn, half turn, 3/4 turn, and complete turn make.
You can master this skill by practicing more with UVA Practice. Thank you.